Welcome everyone. So this question looks quite tricky. Okay. So here in this case, what we can do is see one I can split this index, right? As nothing but 1 raised to x upon 4 raised to x is equals to let be x only. Now see 1 raised to any number will always be what? Just 1. So I'll write this as nothing but what? 1 upon 4 raised to x equals to x. Okay, now what we can do is we can shift the x on this side and the number on that side. So in that case what happens is I'll get this as nothing but what? 1 upon x equals to 4 raised to x. Okay, now why did I do that? Because it's easier. Okay, I could have done this as 4 raised to minus x as well, taken the phone on top and all that. Yes, that can work, but no, this is easier for me, so I did it this way. Okay, now in order to solve this further, what we'll try to always apply our golden rule. The golden rule is what? Keep the numbers on one side and the variables on another side. So for that we'll do what? We'll take x 1 upon x index on both sides. So this gets you 1 upon x equals to this x, and this x will cancel, right? Why like that? Because a raised to m, the whole raised to n is nothing but what? A raised to m into n. So when you multiply x and 1 upon x, your x's are cancelling. You are just left with 4. Okay. Now understand. Oh, sorry. Here you have 1 upon x raised to 1 upon x. Now what happens is, see, if you can convert your question in the form of what? A raised to a equals to b raised to b. Okay, means the exponent and the indices are same on either side of the equal to. Then you can directly say that a equals to b. And here, thankfully, I can write 4 as nothing but what? 2 square. So this becomes 1 upon x, the whole raised to 1 upon x. Therefore, I can say 1 upon x equals to 2. Therefore, I can say just x value is nothing but 1 upon 2. Now, let's put this over here, to cross check. So, the question was what? 1 upon 4, the whole raised to x equals to x. And since the value of x we got as what? 1 upon 2. Okay. So, basically, that is nothing but what? Square root of 1 upon 4. Right? So 1 upon 4 square root is nothing but just 1 upon 2. And that, my dear friends, is the answer of your, or it is there in your RHS of the question. Okay. Therefore, I can say the value of x for this particular question is just 1 upon 2. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next video.